so much is developing really quickly. There's so many things we can do regarding worker safety. If you didn't know this, we insure over 1 million industrial businesses. We actually insure 99.6% of the Fortune 500. So that gives you an idea of sort of where we play. 10 million U.S. employees and 4 million commercial vehicles here inside of the United States. And the kinds of things we're focused on include stuff like, I'll go to the second bullet of the AIG Go Workers Comp, or Go WC. What that is we've actually created the ability for any injured worker to go in and monitor the status of their claim directly online. So you can actually just go online, demystify the entire claims process. So if you want to know whether your claim is advancing or whether you should be contacting the insurer because somewhere there's a problem, or you want to schedule an appointment with a doctor, or you want to schedule something, all of that is available online. And again, it's in the spirit of trying to use technology, trying to use innovation to demystify the process. And quite frankly, one of the biggest problems we learned that we have with workers' compensation is the three things that can typically fail you: communication, communication, and communication. Because when the worker feels as though they actually don't understand where things stand, you tend to get agita, you tend to get the nervousness that ends up creating a bad situation for the worker, but also quite frankly a bad situation for the employer and also for the insurer. And we're trying to eliminate that. This advanced injury analytics is pretty cool. We use over 100,000 different time-sensitive calculations that will route claims to the right claims adjuster based on severity, based on the complexity of the claim, and the nature of those calculations are actually refreshed every 30 days. So it's all time-sensitive information. And our objective is, let's get the right claim into the hands of the right person. Let's get to the answer as quickly as possible. Let's help get this worker back to work as quickly as possible. So there's a whole bunch of things that are going on. You can see a bunch of announcements coming out of AIG from an innovation perspective over the course of the next few months, including an announcement we'll do probably later this month regarding wearable devices and the use of sensors for in particular employees who are involved in construction. So I just wanted to give you that as a sense of where it's going. I hope I've made the case for you where economically this is what makes sense. It's the only path forward for this industry, and there's so much happening around us. We actually can't avoid it even if we tried. We can't avoid the need to innovate, the need to be entrepreneurs, and the need to continue to raise the bar.